firstly, our appreciation to Jeevan Bhimanagar Police Station, ACP Kishore Bharani, Inspector Nagaraju, and all the sub-inspectors. We've had a very, engaging conversations with the former DCP, Mr. Kuldeep Kumar Jain. We look forward to meeting Mr. Bagla as well. We haven't been able to, but we will shortly. Sir, we are all residents of Indiranagar. Indiranagar first and second stage, HAL second stage, and HAL third stage. We'd like to invoke our Article 21 today, sir. Right to life. Yes, businesses have a right to livelihood, but they need to do it in the ambit of law, sir. So, there are 7 issues that we'd like to raise today. One is footpath parking on arterial roads, right? This is on 12th Main, 100 feet road, 80 feet road, Krishna Temple road, Yogananda Paramahamsa road, and Jeevan Bhimanagar main road, sir. Sir, parking, ella commercial establishments, 1 car park space, according to law, 2.5 meters by 2.5 meters by 5.5 meters of 1 car park they need to provide for every 75 square meters. It is not the government's responsibility to create parking space. By law, they are supposed to. Right now, what has happened in Indiranagar is every floor, every inch by real estate agents have been let out with 0 parking. We have a demolition order for a commercial establishment, a restaurant on the 12th Main called Veg and Veg, because they have 0 parking, sir. Not even a parking for cycle. So we are asking for commercial establishments to have enough parking and police to take action against footpath parking, sir. And the next one being footpath encroachments, sir. We see an increase of encroachment of footpaths which is supposed to be for pedestrians. A lot of money has been spent on white topping of all our arterial roads. We'd like to use our footpaths for walking, sir, which is not happening right now. They're all being taken over by hawkers. Yes, they are, there is a street vending act that they need to comply with, but they cannot, ಅವರು ಒಂದು petty shop ಹಾಕೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, sir. They have to take it away. End of the day, they can do business, allinda ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. And they have to ensure that they do not block pedestrian movement or traffic.